Hey guys, this is our Writing with Phonics, page 75 and 76. Alright, so we are going to number 1, match the letter with the vowel sound you hear. So this is going to be in the middle of the word. It's the vowel sound that we hear. Alright, so this one right here is a t, ah, p, t, ah, p. What letter do we hear in the middle of the vowel sound? Is it eh, ah, I, ah, or t, ah, p. It's ah. Good. Next we have the word six. S, I, x, s, I, x. Do we hear I, or in six? Good. We hear I. Next we have a bed. B, e, d, bed. All right. Do we hear or in the word bed? Good. Next we have a cup. P, cup. Do we hear or Good. In cup. Next we have a hat. At. Good. The letter A. Next, let's write these vowels, okay? I'm not going to write them on this video because this is practice for you, and you should definitely know how to write these by now. I'll write one each. Make a ball and then a line. Right, that's the letter A. O is a ball. U is a smile with a pull down. I is a pull down with a dot. E, push across, up, and around. Flip over on the back. Right, this is for you to write. Trace and write. T. Lowercase is a pull down with a push across the dotted line. All right, so here you're going to write the blend it, and that is a word. Then you're going to write I, O. I want you to look at this. When you have two consonants in a row that are the same, they're going to make one sound. So this is the word t, I, O, till. I don't say t, I, O. I say t, I, O, till. Same here. When you're tracing and you're reading t, o, tell. And then our last word over here is tub. Tub. All right, I want you to trace those and practice writing. Bye, guys.